Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another luxury video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing as well as a review of the Chanel Sports Trail sneakers. So I actually got a chance to wear them one time, so my review will consist of how I feel about the sneakers overall. So before I even get into this video, I know you're probably watching this video because you're deciding whether or not you should get the sneaker, and girl, go ahead and get this sneaker. I'm gonna tell you why this is a great sneaker to get, why I love it so much, and basically overall the comfort of the sneaker. So originally I got the sneaker from Saks store, and if you're not familiar with Chanel, Chanel sneakers are pretty difficult to get because you have to purchase them in the store. You can find them online. I'll leave some links below to any websites that I find this at online, but primarily you want to go to a Saks, or you want to go to Neiman Marcus or any retailer, Chanel, any retailer that sells Chanel shoes. I believe you cannot get them on the Saks website. But as I stated, if I find some links to the shoes, I will leave them below as well. So here is what the shoe looks like when you get it. Now, originally I did get a size 6.5, and these are a size 6. I'll go over the sizing in just a moment, but I had to get these shipped to my home. So when I got them, this is exactly how they arrived to my door. It took about 7 days to get them. This took a little bit longer than some of my other purchases from Saks that I had to get shipped to my home. But it comes with 2 dust bags, like any normal pair of designer shoes. You get 2 dust bags with the shoes, which I really love because whenever I travel, I always put my shoes in the dust bag. So the shoes do not come packaged in a dust bag. They come packaged just like this. And once I open it, the shoes are in there. So here is how they look when you get them. And girl, these shoes are so darn cute. They can be worn so many different ways. You can wear these with a tracksuit, you can wear these with a skirt, you can wear them with shorts. Because of the design, how they are made, you can pretty much wear them however you want, and you will look so cute with this. So yeah, overall I love the sneaker. I think it is a beautiful shoe. It is a great investment. I'll tell you guys the price of this shoe because sometimes if you are looking for this shoe, you will have to get it from a reseller, but I was fortunate enough to get these from the Saks store, and the price was $1,225. Now, when I originally got this shoe was actually a gift from my husband. When I got this shoe, it was a 6.5. So the 6.5 did not fit, and we had to go back to the store and exchange the shoe. I normally wear a size 6.5 in women's shoes, so 6.5 is my size. In designer shoes, I do fluctuate. And actually this is my first pair of Chanel shoes. So 6 fit me perfectly. They fit like a glove. No issues with a size 6, and I do wear these with socks. So when I went back to the store to exchange the shoe, they did not have the shoe in store. It was around the holidays, so during the holiday it's very difficult to get pretty much any designer item because everybody's buying designer during the holidays. So they had to order the shoe. Now when you get a shoe order, it really depends on if that store has it in stock in other stores. So they happened to have this shoe in stock in another store, and the shoe was sent to me. Now when I did the exchange for the shoe to get a different size, here's a trick, because actually this has happened to me 2 times where I bought a pair of shoes from Saks. They did not have my size. For some reason, when they don't have your size and it's shipped to your home, it's cheaper. I live in Atlanta. I got these from Phipps Plaza, and it actually ended up being around $30 cheaper when it got shipped to my home. So if you're wondering about sizing on a shoe, I would definitely say go a size down. Now, I don't have wide feet. I don't even think I have a flat foot. So for me, a size down just fit perfect. So here is the other shoe. Now, on the outside of the shoe, it does have the Chanel logo in gold, which is why I really love this shoe. But it also has the Chanel, it says Chanel on the outside of the shoe. So the shoe is very sleek, the design is very beautiful, and as I stated, you can wear this with pretty much about anything. So I believe it's made with calfskin and leather. So this kind of reminds me of an Air Max 95 Nike with the design, because with the Air Max and a little bit, it has like those different layers to the shoe. So at the bottom you have that patent leather, then you have, I believe this is the calfskin leather, then you have another material. It does not feel like leather. This to me feels like a more cottony material, and then you have a suede. Then it comes with black laces, of course, and you get a second pair of black laces. I never have to use the second pair, but it does come with the second pair. And then at the bottom, it has this Chanel detail, kind of similar to the bag. And then it has another Chanel logo at the bottom. So, girl, these are probably the most comfortable pair of sneakers that I own. And I'm not saying this because it's a Chanel sneaker, because me and designer sneakers, we have a hard time, because a lot of times with designer sneakers, I don't know why, but they put like this arch thing in the sneaker to have a heel. Chanel does not do that with this sneaker. The sneaker is more to me like an athletic sneaker. So it's extremely comfortable. On the level of comfort, if I have to rate this from a 1 to 10, I will rate this a 10. Now, I always have very achy feet. I have to wear very comfortable sneakers, and many times when I do buy a designer sneaker, I always have to put an insert in it, a flat insert with a little bit of cushion to make the sneaker more comfortable for me. With this sneaker, I don't have to hack it. It is absolutely comfortable. I wore it to my daughter's cheer competition with a pair of socks on, and I actually wore these in the rain. It was raining a little bit, and the sneaker did not get messed up. Honestly, I wasn't even worried about wearing sneakers in the rain. Typically, I would not wear a $1,200 sneaker in the rain. It was drizzling quite a bit, but my sneaker looked just as new as it looked when I purchased it. And that is the reason why I went with this design as opposed to other sneakers, because this is my first pair of Chanel sneakers, and I wanted something that would last a very long time. Now with this sneaker, I really believe that I will have this sneaker for years, just because, one, the color is very durable, it's very comfortable, and this is not really an easy sneaker to pretty much beat up. The only thing that you would have to worry about is the bottom, but with every wear, I probably will wipe down the bottom. I wouldn't wear these in like dirt or anything like that. But even with the first wear, as you guys can see, not really, you know, still looks pretty good. So yeah, I love these sneakers. I think they're extremely comfortable. If you're looking for a designer sneaker that A, will last you a very long time, B, be very comfortable, C, have a lot of versatility, I definitely recommend this. I think you will get a very good return on investment with these sneakers, because they are just, this is just a great sneaker. And honestly, because I love this sneaker so much, I definitely will continue to build my collection of Chanel sneakers, because I've tried on about 2 other pair of Chanel sneakers. If you guys watched my Louis Vuitton runaway sneaker review, at that time when I bought the Louis Vuitton sneakers, I was gonna buy a pair of Chanel sneakers, but I didn't buy them because I still hadn't had a Chanel bag yet. But I do have a couple of bags that I can wear this with now. Alright, so that is my review of the Chanel Sports Trail sneakers. If you have any questions, if you have any comments related to these sneakers, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.